Hi everyone, in front of me we've got CUBOT Max 3 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. No worries, sometimes instead of three dots icon you will be able to see this kind of arrow, but no worries, just tap on it, it is the same. And here let's enter the history. As you can see, we've got the full list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide and it will take too much time to do it manually, then I highly recommend to tap on Clear Browsing Data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data. And here we just got back to the history, which is empty, as you can see, and it simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your CUBOT Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.